back. Now we're going to look at some buzzing stocks, and that's the Ramco Group. That entire group of stocks is buzzing. As you can see, Ramco Cements up 5%, Ramco Systems, an IT company, that's up about 7.78%, and just Ramco, I think Ramco Industries, that's up about 8%. Now, what Nigel has done, investigating the movement of this, okay, the last one is ancillaries. Looking at this group of stocks, has related it to another stock, Rajapalayam Mills, which is part holding company of these stocks. And he's done some analysis on the valuation of Rajapalayam Mills, which itself has not moved much today, to about 3%. Nigel, just take us through the relation between these two and the valuation of Rajapalayam.
Yeah, all right, Lata. So the company is Rajapalayam. I hope I got the pronunciation right.
Almost.
All right. So that's the one that we're talking about. Now, Barinder had alerted us that it's a holding company as well as it's got a core business. So that's very, very important. Now, you just take a look at it. It has a core business. What do? They have around 1.5 lakh spindles approximately. Let's get the graphics really up for you. It's a manufacturer of high count yarns as well. Now, exports constitute close to around 40% of their total revenues, and they have wind farm power as well. Importantly, on a standalone basis, Lata, we just got their results last week. And in fact, the EPS was at around 49 rupees per share. So if you value it around 7 times, it comes around 343 rupees. If you value it at 9 times, it comes to around 441 rupees. So 441 rupees out of the total share price of around 960, 970 rupees is telling you that the core business itself is accounting for around 45% of the total business. Move forward, then you see it's a holding company. It holds stakes, in Ramco Cements, 13% of them. That's valued at what? Around 2,400 approximately. You have Ramco Industries as well as Ramco Systems. So the summation of all this really will tell you that it has holdings in companies, and that amounts to around 2,600 crore rupees. Okay. Now, so that means, Lata, when you have the market cap of the company currently at around 700 crores, and in fact you have investments of around 2,600 crores, that's telling you that it's trading at a 73% discount to the market cap. We're not yet considered the core business. So let's pull up then a final plate. Then at 60%, it would be nearly around 1,050. So the market cap is 700 crores, holding company value is 2,600 crores, and the final plate comes up for you. The current price, 960 rupees per share. Holding companies at 73% discount, that only is around 960 rupees. So you have not yet valued the core business, which you consider at around 9 times. That'll give you around 440 rupees. You can consider it around 7 times. That'll give you around 350 rupees. So interesting stock with a huge holding discount as of now. It has holding companies, not just that, it has a core business as well. So that's the interesting stock that we wanted to point out to all our viewers, since all Ramco Group stocks are doing well.
Fair point. That's